So I had to replace a shower valve in this bathroom, but there was no way to get to it from the backside, so I'm going to show you what to do in this kind of situation. Oh yeah, look, we had a third worker today. But anyway, there's no access on the backside of the shower, so I'm going to have to go through the front and we're going to put a repair plate, and I'm going to show you how to do that. We start by tracing the wall and then we cut the tile. After a little finagling, I'm able to get that piece out, and then I go ahead and cut the other side. If you're wondering how we cut the tile with the multi-tool, we're using a Milwaukee Extreme Materials blade. That's Milwaukee Extreme Materials blade. It's a pretty good blade, as you can see. It just cuts right through this ceramic tile and wallboard, and it just does a really good job. I know you can use an angle grinder to do this job, but the angle grinder just seems to make a lot bigger mess than a multi-tool does, so we do it this way. So you see where I traced the wall beforehand with the template for the repair plate, but you notice I'm not really sticking to it with the multi-tool. I'm not really following the line. It's worth mentioning that in all reality, you just need it opened enough so you can make your connections onto the water lines. So as you're going to see here in a moment, I have it pretty much opened up enough because I don't want to open it up too much and then risk my repair plate not covering it. But now that I got it all cut out, you see me here with the water off, and I'm just draining out the last of the water from the valve. And here in a moment, I'm going to show you what it looked like after we installed the new valve. So our friend showed up again at the end so he could see the finished product. And I might as well show you guys too, I guess. So here it is. We got the new shower valve in there, and it's all soldered in and no leaks. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like once the repair plate is on. And here it is. This is a genuine Moen repair plate, and this kit's actually called the Eva model. And it just looks a lot nicer than aftermarket repair plates. And they do have it in different colors, but they do get a little pricey when you change from like chrome to stainless. But I'm going to put product links to all this stuff in the description, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. Bye!